Wait! Before you scroll, ever heard a creepy sound in the woods and shrugged it off? You've probably heard these before and didn't even know what was watching you. Hit like and subscribe if you've ever heard something strange in the wild. Number 4. The leopard's sawing call. Sounds like someone hacking wood with a saw. It's not a lumberjack. It's a 150-pound predator stalking nearby. Number 3. The distorted screech of a fox. It sounds like a woman screaming for help. Chilling. People call 911 over this. Number 2. Harpy eagle screech. A prehistoric scream from the largest eagle alive. If Jurassic Park had birds, this would be it. Number 1. Elephants during distress. When they're angry or grieving, the rumble turns to a haunting roar you'll feel in your bones. Follow for more eerie nature facts, and maybe think twice next time you camp alone.